Hey federal employees, Shaun here. I've got some RIF updates. Please double tap to support and share this widely. Yes, I've been off the grid for a few days, recharging here on vacation in London, but I'll be back in the office full time tomorrow. But before I return to the States, I wanted to brief you on one question that's been flooding my DMs. Are the mass layoffs still on hold? What's going on with the RIFs? Good news first is late Friday, the Ninth Circuit refused to lift Judge Ilston's injunction on the government-wide reductions in force. Translation, every RIF notice based on the president's executive order is still frozen. Your paycheck, your health insurance, they're all locked in place for now. But the story doesn't end there. Shortly after that occurred, the administration sprinted up to the courthouse in the Supreme Court asking for an emergency stay, and Justice Kagan, she handles Ninth Circuit emergencies, gave the plaintiffs until noon on June 9th to respond. So whatever happens next, nothing can move before that deadline. You've got at least a week breathing room, I think. So take a slow, mindful breath and let that land. Now the reality check. If the Supreme Court grants the stay, agencies could start issuing new RIF effective dates or continue that process. The Merit Systems Protection Board deadline in a RIF case is still 30 days from the effective date, not the notice date, but agencies could try to make those effective dates lightning fast. That means you need a game plan on deck yesterday. So here are the 3 steps I'd take if I were in your shoes facing a RIF. 1, make sure you've pulled your entire official personnel file, SF-50s, appraisals, anything that proves your tenure and veterans preference. Get your documents organized, both electronically and in writing. If that pink slip comes, you're going to need that evidence. 2, map your appeal window. Put a calendar reminder for 30 days from any effective RIF date. Miss that window and MSPB won't hear the case very likely, so you want to make sure not to miss that deadline. 3, line up representation or at least get some expert guidance before the rush if you're going to DIY. Once it starts, there's going to be a lot of action. This leads me to how my team can help if you want hands-on support. I'm still having RIF strategy sessions, 1-hour team calls where we'll pressure test your facts, your veterans preference, your best forum, your retirement options, whether it makes sense for you. That's $350 flat fee. If you're interested, call my firm to set it up, or you can go to fedlegalhelp.com/strategy to get on my calendar and make the payment all from start to finish. For those taking a DIY route, we are finishing up the self-representation course, video lessons, template pleadings, mindfulness modules to keep you focused under stress. It lists at $199, but if you pre-enroll before the stay is lifted, you get 25% off at that. So go to fedlegalhelp.com/RIF course. If the injunction survives and you end up not needing it, you can apply the credit to any future course we release. A quick disclaimer, so my ethics professor sleeps well. This TikTok is general information, not legal advice. Your facts drive your outcome. You should consider, especially if the RIFs get undone or the stay is lifted, a qualified attorney to help you with your situation. All right, I've got a mountain of emails waiting, but I'm going to head back out for my last day here in London. I hope you've appreciated the update. I've appreciated all of your support. Please follow along for real-time updates, especially once the Supreme Court docket pings, which is likely to next happen on June 9th. See you all soon, tomorrow really. Stay mindful, prepared, and take care. Thank you.